You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word from French? In France, in French it means a reunion, so when people get back together, are reunited, let's say, generally when they have like a family reunion or a reunion between friends. This is how you say it. Retrouvailles, des retrouvailles. Okay, retrouvailles. The S is silent at the end. Retrouvailles, or in English you can say it as retrouvailles, retrouvailles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.